Welcome to my channel. I'm ShadowScoutSwede. I want to say welcome to my new subscribers and my current ones as well. You're very welcome. Today's video is a review on my Rapala Sportsman's fishing bag. And it looks like this. Nice bag. First of all, we have a nice shoulder strap. Very durable, and I had this for many years now, and I'm happy with it. It's made of nylon, strong, durable nylon, and this shoulder strap, I felt it was just a little bit of stretch, but I might be mistaken, but not much stretch, but very strong, durable. Then you have a compartment on the back side of this bag, and when you open, it's a really decent pocket here, and pretty deep actually, which is nice. And I'm gonna tell you, these zippers are really good quality and very durable. These zippers has never failed me. And we have, of course, the main compartment. It's two of these. I don't know what to call it, but it's double anyway. So you can do like this, and this goes all the way around, which is nice. When you open it, not open completely, but I have a lot of stuff, as you see here. Plastic bag for if I catch something. Another plastic bag if you need to get some trash or things. It's good to have one extra for that. And I have some lures, and I have this is a Rapala knife. This is a fillet knife, very good one, and I have used it, and it's sharp. Remember, knives should be sharp. And here I have a box with different lures and hooks. And I also have another box with different lures and jigs. And I have also another box with more lures. You need it. We take these away. And another plastic bag. I don't know why I had this. Oh, I had tinder in this one. And waterproof. You can pouch, you can wear around your neck. What more else? Nothing more important. No. And another small pouch. Very useful. I put these guys away. But anyway, it's a deep nice space in this, and you have a space here, and this is a little bit of rubberized, but it is a nice bag. And we have the other compartment here. We open this, and I got another knife. This is a flood and stainless steel fishing knife. It will do its job. It's sharp, so I'm happy with it. And I have some sinkers and other useful stuff, and some hooks on this side. I put that away, and I have a plier, and this plier is made specifically for when you go fishing, but a good plier. I had this one for years, and it's a rubberized or plastic grip on it. Very nice. And I also got this. This is a fishing knife. I got this from a friend who died too young, and I miss him. And I got this for as a birthday present. It's a really nice knife, and he actually sharpened it up a little bit because this one was too dull. And you have this. You do like that. Really nice. Very cool item. And I have also a carabiner. I had it there for a reason, but I don't remember what kind of reason. I got utensils. So that's all I got in this bag. And you have pockets here. You can put stuff, and this one you can this I have a multi-tool, not the best multi-tool in the world, actually a cheap, very cheap multi-tool. I got this from my parents-in-law. Not the best, but it works. And the blades are not that sharp on this one, so I have a multi-tool in one of these pockets. So very useful. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And there will be more next week. And don't forget, I have to change my live stream to this Friday because I'm going for camping trip at Saturday afternoon to Sunday. And it is only me and my wife are going. Maybe my son, I don't know yet. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment. It's important you put a comment when you have watched my videos, because it's easier for me to reach back to you. I guess that's all, guys. So take care, stay safe, be prepared, and God bless. ShadowScoutSwede out.